San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Medina County, eastern Zavala County, Frio County, until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Whoa!
At 9:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Las Colonias, or near Crystal City, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Oh, that's way southwest.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearsall, Crystal City, Dilley, Batesville, North Pearsall, Chula Vista River Spurs, Derby, Hilltop, Las Colonias, Divot, Loma Vista, Bluff, Frio Town, and Brundage.
Whoa.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. 47 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Wow.
San Antonio, NOAA weather radio.
Well, shoot.
At 9 p.m. in San Antonio, it was mostly
That was
cloudy.
unexpected. Freaking crap, dude.
Moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Divot and Derby. Hazard, softball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Pearsall, Dilley, North Pearsall, Derby, Hilltop, Divot, and Bluff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
Oh, God. Destructive still. Oh, my God. 4-inch hail.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Frio County, Atascosa County, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Frio County. A thunderstorm was located near Derby, 7 miles south of Pearsall, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Crap.
This is a destructive storm for Derby. Hazard, softball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Pearsall, Jordanton, Dilley, Poteet, Charlotte, Christine, Campbellton, North Pearsall, Goldfinch, Hilltop, Lemming, Bluff, Shadow, Derby, Bigfoot, Divot, Yucca, Greytown, and Choate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is bad.
This is a dangerous storm.
Oh,
Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage.
Holy
People
crap.
outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing a strong building and stay away from windows. The current time is 10:43 p.m.
Dude, oh my gosh, I cannot believe WNG696 actually serves Atascosa. There it is. Yes. Yes.
The National Weather Service
Wait.
in Corpus Christi has
Oh.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Live Oak County in south central Texas. In south central Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Holy crap.
At 11:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Campbellton, moving east at 50 miles. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Oh, it's B County.
Damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs and trees.
Crap.
Near Kendall around 11:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now around 11:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pawnee around 11:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following highways. Interstate 37 between mile markers 81 and 83.
Bruh.
U.S. Highway 181 near mile marker 572. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud to ground lightning.
Oh, God.
Shelter in a well-built structure. Stay away. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Figured that was gonna happen. They're not going. Oh, they are going.
The National Weather Service in San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Karnes County, Atascosa County.
Dang it.
Central Standard Time. At 11:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Christine, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard:
What?
2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Oh, Wilson.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Didn't even hear that.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Turn this off.
Impacted include Pleasanton, Floresville, Jerton, Poteet, Kennedy, Karnes City, Hope, Charlotte, Christine, Campbellton,
Crap.
Kosciuszko, Rooney, Fall City, Gillette, Sestahalla, Lemon, Coy City, Greytown, Chill, and Fashing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare
What am I getting?
for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. The temperature was 70 clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Dang it, it's Carrizo Springs.
A thunderstorm warning for north central Live Oak County in south central Texas until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12 a.m. Central Standard Time.
I need to be quiet. Bro, seriously?
And quarter-size hail.
Okay, well.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Live Oak County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Oh, it did turn off by itself. Okay. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, well... Oh, 9 miles southwest of Kennedy. That's funny, because that's not in their CWA. Actually, yeah, I guess they usually do that, but that's funny that they did. Anyways, yeah, there you go. Exciting. Oh my god, even I. freaking cars are outside. God. This is the dog's crate. I knew this was gonna be bad. Okay, so it's about 30 seconds after the hail, and not 30 seconds, more like a minute. It's a very quick storm. I mean, it just passed right over. I looked on radar, it was just this tiny blob. But I don't see any hailstones, so either... Oh, no, there they are right here. Holy crap. Whoa. There you go. That's just crazy. Just saw lightning. It's all over the pool cover. Oh crap.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm
This is a really bad
warning
time for this.
northeastern Medina County, southeastern Bandera County, southern Kendall County, northwestern Bexar County, Comal County,
Wait.
until 3:45 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Bexar County.
At 2:49 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kronkoski State Natural Area, or 9 miles southwest of Bernie, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, Bernie, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, Cross Mountain, Walnut Grove, Guadalupe River State Park, Smithson Valley, Bandera Falls, The Dominion, Kreutzburg, Spring Branch, Pipe Creek, Lake Hills, Timberwood Park, Leon Springs, Fisher and Kronkoski State Natural Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Caldwell County, southern Hayes County, north central Guadalupe County, west central Bastrop County, eastern Comal County, until 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canyon Lake Dam, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Buda, Lockhart, Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Staples, Smithson Valley, Zorn, Mountain City, lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current... Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Okay. It is 3:30 in the morning, and I was about to go to bed, but I guess that's not going to happen. I mean, it will in a few minutes, but...
Your weather synopsis for South City.
Yes! First watch.
The National Weather Service
with that.
Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 56, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties:
5 hours.
Bandera, Kerr, Comal,
Wrong button.
Guadalupe, Kendall, and Wilson.
There we go.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Thunderstorm.
Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.
That didn't last long.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Bandera County, eastern Kerr County, southern Blanco County, southern Gillespie County, Kendall County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
All of Kendall?
At 6:14 p.m. Central Standard Time,
Yeah.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harbor to near England to 6 miles northeast of Vanderpool,
England.
moving east at 60 miles per
That's
hour.
where WWF 90 is.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kerrville and Kerrville Schreiner Park around 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Center Point around 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Comfort and Cypress Creek around 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camp Verde around 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Since when do they use
Bandera, King City, Grapetown, Waring, Old Tunnel State Park, and Bankersmith around 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time.
What the heck?
Stonewall, Sisterdale, and Luckenbach around 6:45
Luckenbach.
p.m. Central Standard Time.
What?
State Natural Area around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time.
They actually warned Luckenbach.
Nelson City, Candalia, Foodgrass, and Welfare around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Crown, Cascade Caverns, and Scenic Oaks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's funny. Wait, is that us? Oh, it is. That's Bexar County.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, eastern Bandera County, southeastern Kerr County, southwestern Blanco County, Kendall County, northwestern Bexar County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms
What
were
is wrong with
located
this?
along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Albert to near Pike Creek to near Hill Country State Natural Area, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail.
This isn't a good spot for it.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bernie, Fair Oaks Ranch, Cross Mountain, Walnut Grove, Candelia, Camp Verde, Bandera Falls, Mico, Sisterdale, Kreuzberg, Government Canyon State Natural Area, Pipe Creek, Welfare, Nelson City, Center Point, Waring, Lake Hills, and Cliff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I guess we're out of it?
Light rain was falling. The temperature was 69, the dew point 42, the relative humidity was 37%, the wind north at 36 miles an hour gusting to 56, the pressure was 29.42 inches and rising.
What?
Uvalde haze was reported 69.
29.42, bro. SVR for us. Oh, there it is.
The National Weather Service in Austin.
That's us.
Bexar County, Comal County.
In Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Caldwell County, southern Hayes County, central Guadalupe County, Bexar County, Comal County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wood Creek to near Spring Branch to near Birdheim to near SeaWorld, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Kyle, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Limberley, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Canyon Lake Dam, Stinson Municipal Airport, Canyon Lake, Leon Valley, Halotis, Fair Oaks Ranch, and Kirby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, they just got struck. Wow, I cannot believe I just got that on video. They just got struck by lightning. Bro, I literally saw it. I saw it pop up on JLevel 3. Wow. What?
The National Weather Service in
Bastrop, Caldwell, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Wilson. Also check 90.1.
Caldwell County, Guadalupe County, Southern Bastrop County, Central Gonzales County, West Central Fayette County, and Wilson County until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8 p.m. Central Standard Time.
I literally knew someone was going to get issued at 8.
Along the line extending from near Kyle to near New Braunfels to near Somerset, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
That's weird.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Why didn't you go off?
Source, radar indicated.
That's why.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding,
90.9?
and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, Lockhart, Gonzales, Floresville, Lewing, Though, Starkdale, Kosciuszko, Nixon, La Vernia, Wilder, Kingsbury, New Berlin, Staples, Fentress, Sutherland Springs, Palmetto State Park,
Neither of them are going.
Rosecki, Pandora, and Sister. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
90.1 probably goes after EOMs.
The National
Hi?
Service in Austin.
I hear Carrizo Springs.
Severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh, it's just raining. Dude, it's actually cold out here. Whoa. Yo, I get on. Oh, man.
Kelly Tower Information Whiskey. 0215 Zulu Special Observation. Wind 330 at 24. Gust 37. Visibility 58. Runway 16 RVR variable between 2,800 and more than 6,000. Thunderstorm. Heavy rain. Squalls. Ceiling 2,200 broken. 3,500 overcast. Temperature 13. Dew point 09er. Altimeter 2947. ILS runway 16 approaching use. Winds greater than or equal to 25 but less than 35 knots. Forecast value 34 knots. Potential for moderate thunderstorms. Large hail forecast value ½ inch. Advise on initial contact. You have information whiskey. Kelly Tower Information Whiskey.
Is it seriously Bear again?
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Central Guadalupe County, northern Wilson County, southeastern Bexar County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Wow, I didn't see that coming.
At 8:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elmendorf, 47 miles southeast of Stinson Municipal Airport, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
There it is.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is
Dang it,
expected.
I tapped my screen and now it's
Expect
not
wind
manual
damage
focus.
to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Floresville, Stockdale, Stinson Municipal Airport, St. Hedwig,
Or wait for a sale to get our
California,
Garrett.
China Grove, New Berlin, Pandora, Calaveras Lake,
San Antonio, Floresville,
Sandy
Stockdale,
Oaks, Buena
Stinson
Vista,
Municipal
Florida,
Airport.
Lozoya, Southton, Canada Verde, Sayers, and Brook City Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Bro, they
building.
are so quiet.
St. Hedwig, Elmendorf, La Vernia.
I'm so sorry about this focus.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Caldwell County, southeastern Guadalupe County, Gonzales County, southwestern Fayette County, northwestern Lavaca County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
That's on Victoria.
At 8:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Obviously
from
not.
Luling to 6 miles southeast of Kingsbury to 10 miles north of Smiley, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Once again,
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Smiley is fit to be
Source,
frowny here in a
radar
couple of
indicated.
minutes.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles
God.
is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gonzales, Luling, Hallettsville, Shiner, Flatonia, Wild, Worthing, Leesville, Henkhouse, Oak Forest, Belmont, Cost, McNeil, and Dilworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Your local forecast.